Tonight, NBC5 investigates a shocking case of police conspiracy. Cameras catch several officers in an outright lie, and for one officer, it's not the first time he's found himself on the wrong side of the law. Our Phil Rogers is here with his investigation. Phil?
Rob, 5 officers, 5 alleged lies. Tonight, authorities are clearly worried that any cases they have pending could be in jeopardy. And one of those officers just wrote a book about how great it is to be a cop.
It was a real-life bombshell moment here at the Skokie Courthouse. 5 different police officers, 3 from Chicago, 2 from Glenview, testifying in the case of drug suspect Joseph Sperling, insisting they pulled Sperling over in a traffic stop, allowed him to exit his car, and only arrested and cuffed him after a search turned up a cache of marijuana.
All 5 officers were telling exactly the same story, word for word.
Defense attorney Stephen Goldman confronted the officers with this squad car video, which clearly showed that contrary to their version of events, they actually took Sperling out of the car and cuffed him immediately, long before the search of his car ever began. And plenty of other details also failed to match up.
I think everyone was a little shocked that the officers got caught in such a huge lie.
The judge was shocked too, and the case was thrown out. Obviously, this is very outrageous conduct, she said. State, I expect you to do something about this and to talk to all the superiors involved in this case. All officers lied on the stand today. One of those officers was this man, Sergeant James Padar. He's the same James Padar who, along with his father, wrote this book on being a cop about their adventures in the Chicago Police Department. The same James Padar we told you about last January when a fellow officer sued him, accusing him of making the taxpayers pay for work on his summer home. He essentially said to you, I'm not going to pay you, but you're being paid by the city of Chicago to do the work on my house.
Yes, he did.
Tonight, Padar and the other officers have been stripped of their police powers pending an investigation. Goldman suggested the episode could put dozens of their other cases in jeopardy.
They were caught in a lie. So now you have to question of when else did they lie, when other times did they lie that they weren't caught.
It isn't often in a courtroom you hear an audible gasp go up over an event like this, and we are told that's what happened here. The Cook County State's Attorney, Chicago Police, and Glenview Police all confirmed this matter is under investigation. All of the officers have been placed on leave. Allison?